Hi. So now that you have decided to learn this, some of you may be experienced, some of you want to fine tune your skills, some of you this may be totally new, right? Sales. So at whatever level you are, maybe you are a startup founder, maybe you are a fresher, maybe you are an experienced person who want to enhance your skills. Trust me, I am going to make you a super salesperson. That's my guarantee. If you master the skills that I'm going to take you through in next few sessions, including today, you will be at top of your career in sales. You will never look back. You will always learn to perform consistently. That's my guarantee to you. Trust me. Yes. So let's understand. I will help you to learn sales in three easy steps. So there are three steps. The first step is sourcing. So in sourcing, what you need to understand is where do I sell? First is what you sell and whom do I sell. So it can be which segment, which market segment, which customer type, who's my niche customer. So कहाँ बेचना है. Second is connect. एक बार मुझे पता चला कि कहाँ बेचना है. Once I know where I need to sell, then how do I connect to this? Maybe market, maybe customer, anyone. So I know where to sell, then connect करना है, and then serve. So three steps if you look at the slides. It is sourcing, it is connecting, and it is serving. Sales is nothing, but you need to learn to serve your customer. If you learn to serve your customer, he is yours for the taking. You are never going to lose your customer in life, I assure you. And a good salesperson always keeps serving his customer. Why? Because on an average, 60% of the sales is a repeat business. Trust me. So if your customer acquisition cost at initially at first year is XYZ, next year it is going to come down drastically because it is always better to retain a customer because you already have sold him once. You can keep selling him all your life or all his life. Okay, so that's what I'm going to teach you how to do this in next few sessions. Be with me. So let's understand about first step in selling, that is sourcing. Okay, so sourcing involves two important aspects. One is prospecting and other is planning. So prospecting and planning. So what is prospecting? Like you want, if you're a farmer and you want to plant a tree, right? So what would you do? You would look at one of the best seeds. Why? Because you understand if the seed is good, the plant will be healthy and fruits will be good. Correct? And vice versa, if the seed is not great, plant will not be healthy, fruit will also not be great. Correct? तो अगर आप एक फार्मर हो, आप समझते हो कि मुझे खेती करनी है, तो आप जो बीज लोगे वो अच्छा लोगे. अच्छा बीज लोगे, अच्छी फसल आएगी, अच्छे फ्रूट्स आएंगे, अच्छे फल आएंगे. सेम थिंग इज विद प्रोस्पेक्टिंग. इफ योर प्रोस्पेक्ट इज हैविंग मनी, हैविंग टाइम, हैविंग नीड, उसके बाद तो उसको आपका प्रोडक्ट चाहिए बॉस. यस और नो? अगर तीनों है उसके पास, देयर इज अ नीड फॉर द प्रोडक्ट, ही हैज गॉट मनी, उसके पास आपके साथ बात करने के लिए टाइम है, तो क्या चाहिए? बेचो. प्रॉब्लम इज वी डोंट नो हाउ टू प्रोस्पेक्ट. That's why this is the key. If you learn to prospect correctly, if you spend time in prospecting rather than only selling, this is the first step. अगर पहले अगर अपने चीज सही नहीं की तो entire sales process में hamper. So take this very seriously. Prospect is all utmost important for you कि मुझे कौन से मार्केट में जाना है. So whatever product you are selling or whatever services you are selling, first understand. It again all depends upon what stage of company you are in. If your company is already having defined processes, they know that they have already given you a list of prospects. Who are these prospects? Go ahead and make a sale. But if you are a startup founder or if you are been appointed in a new area where it is you who's supposed to understand the nuances of the market and identify the people to sell, then it is advisable to understand your niche कि मैं कौन से market में काम कर रहा हूँ, and always go for a low hanging fruit first to make those initial sales, right? जो easily available है पहले उधर जाओ, समझो, and then go to higher sales. Why I'm saying? Because that will teach you a lot of things about your product and your services that you're offering. आपके प्रोडक्ट की अच्छाई फिर कमियां दोनों आपको बताएगा, and then you can come back and learn and find ways to sell your product. Okay, so as a startup founder or as a fresher or as an experienced salesperson, it is utmost important to focus on मुझे किसको बेचना है. क्या मैं जिस मार्केट में बेच रहा हूं उधर नीड है, मेरे प्रोडक्ट की या मेरे सर्विस की उधर नीड है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इफ यू लर्न टू आइडेंटिफाई दिस, हाफ ऑफ योर जॉब इज डन. क्या उनके पास पैसा है? हो सकता है नीड हो लेकिन पैसा नहीं हो, तो मैं कितना भी माथा पच्ची करूं कि how, even if I break my head, I am not going to get sales, right? So identify a market or a niche or a segment which has got money, which has got need of your product, and who has got time. हो सकता है दोनों हो, लेकिन आपसे बात करने को टाइम नहीं उसके पास, so you are not going to make a sale. Are you understanding? So ये तीनों होने चाहिए. Now it is not easy, correct? हो सकता है नीड नहीं हो, तो how to create that need is also part of sales. So it is always important to understand your market segment, जहां से आपको, if you work hard, what kind of sales you can bring. It's very important to understand that, right? So sourcing becomes very important. अभी many times क्या होता है, you are fed, not sorry, fed up, you are fed with lot of leads from market, from your marketing department. Suppose your marketing campaigns are done and you are being given lead that are marketing qualified or that are sales qualified leads. So you need to just follow the sales process and close. In that case, your job in prospecting may be limited, or maybe you need to qualify the leads that come to you and give a feedback. What is the quality of leads? अगर आपके पास दिन के 100 leads आ रहे हैं और उसमें से एक या दो क्लोज हो रहे हैं, then it's a concern. Why? Because you're wasting 98% of your efforts. So if you're getting qualified leads, कि 10 is to 1, 1 is to 10 का रेशियो है, 10 कॉल में से एक दो कॉल क्लोज हो रहे, it's a good quality leads, I'll say. But 100 में से एक दो चार क्लोज हो रहे, then there is a concern. Then you need to give that feedback to your marketing team or whatever activities you're doing. Understand कहाँ फोकस होना चाहिए, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, एंड कीप शेयरिंग दिस फीडबैक विद योर मार्केटिंग टीम. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, यू आर गिवन योर डेटा, रेडीमेड or ready-made leads to make a sale. So it's your job, because it is you who's talking to the customer. You are the face of an organization, right? So it is you, it is your responsibility to understand what kind of leads I'm getting, what kind of closing averages I'm getting, and give that feedback to your management, your marketing team, right? What else? So if you are not getting leads, and if it is you, for example, insurance business हो गया, या NBFC sellings हो गया, mutual funds हो गए, financial product के selling हो गए, then they will ask you to find your market. So most companies will ask you to look at your personal network. That is okay, but the key here to be successful is learn to do activities. Learn to do activities wherein you can capture data. बाकी सब ठीक है, your social network, your personal contacts, XYZ is going to help you. That's okay. But key to be successful here is what kind of activities and how frequently are you doing. So activities and frequency of those activities. Is there a minimum 1-2 activities happening in a week, depending upon what kind of product you are having, of course, right? But why I'm saying activities? Because the moment you are into activity mode, you start getting, or you keep getting new numbers to talk to. Why most people are not able to be successful in sales is they don't have a list of numbers to call. They come to office, आज सुबह ऑफिस आएंगे, बोलेंगे अभी आज किसको कॉल करना है, ओह नंबर ही नहीं मेरे पास, I don't have people to call. That's the worst scenario. And that is where your second aspect of sourcing comes, is planning. So prospecting and planning goes hand in hand. Why? Because if you have done your prospecting correct, if you have planned your day in advance के कल मुझे किससे बात करनी है, कल सुबह उठ के मुझे ये 10 कॉल्स करने हैं, कल सुबह मुझे ये सर्विस कॉल्स करने हैं, कल मुझे ये सेल्स कॉल करने हैं, ये फर्स्ट सेल्स है, ये क्लोजिंग सेल्स है, ये मेरा पेपर वर्क बाकी है. इफ यू प्लान योर डे 1 day इन एडवांस, कल का दिन एक दिन पहले प्लान होना चाहिए. ऑलवेज एज अ गुड प्रोफेशनल सेल्स पर्सन, you should learn to plan your day 1 day in advance. Trust me. So आपका डेली प्लानिंग एक दिन पहले मिनिमम होनी चाहिए. क्वार्टर का प्लानिंग, सॉरी, योर मंथली प्लानिंग हैज टू हैपन एंड ऑफ द मंथ. मतलब अगर टुडे इज 25th, 26th, तो अगले महीने में क्या करने वाला हूँ, कहाँ कहाँ जाऊंगा, ये आज होनी चाहिए प्लानिंग. दैट इज अ करेक्ट वे ऑफ बीइंग इनटू सेल्स. ट्रस्ट मी. यू कैन नॉट गेट अप इन वन फाइन डे, अभी अगले महीने क्या करूंगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है बॉस. What I'm going to do tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next month. No. You need to know that what I will do next month, where all my focus will be, what activities I'll do, what segments I'm going to touch, what kind of clients I'm going to talk, what kind of profiles I'm going to meet. You need to know all these things. When you do all these things, your sales becomes easier. Being disciplined sets you free. Have you heard that? Yes. If you are disciplined, if you are doing everything on time, you have a lot of time and you have freedom to use your excess time wherever you want to do. But people think otherwise. वो सोचते हैं डिसिप्लिन होने से मुझे जल्दी उठना पड़ेगा, ये करना पड़ेगा, ये it's a long day. No, being disciplined sets you free. This is the mantra for success. If you're disciplined, if you set up your timetable, this is what I'm going to do. You have got so much time left for you to do. You'll be surprised. You try this for a month or so. अब 10 दिन try करके देखो. You be disciplined of. It should start from sleeping. रात को इतने बजे सोऊंगा, नेक्स्ट डे इतने बजे उठूंगा, इतने बजे नहाने जाऊंगा, इतने बजे ब्रेकफास्ट, आउट फॉर बिजनेस, lunch, evening. You will be surprised. You have done so much in one day. और आप जल्दी आओगे, you will find so much time for yourself to read a book or do something or maybe meet your friends. Trust me. So discipline sets you free. So do not forget to be disciplined in life. Plan your day accordingly. Take control of your life. So first step is very simple. It is prospecting and planning. It requires discipline. It requires to understand what kind of product you are into. The whatever segment or customers you are meeting should have money, should have need, or you can create a need, or and they should have time for you to talk. ये तीन जब भी आप प्रोस्पेक्टिंग करते हो, ये तीन चीजें होनी चाहिए. पैसा होना चाहिए बॉस, करेक्ट, नीड होने चाहिए एंड टाइम होना चाहिए आपसे बात करने के लिए. सो इफ यू लर्न टू डू दिस henceforth whenever you are doing कि मैं किससे बात करूंगा, कौन से सेगमेंट में बात करना है, ये तीन चीजें याद रखो. आंख बंद करके आपको मिलेगा who are those people, what kind of segments I need to get, किसको क्या प्रोडक्ट देना है, आपको क्लैरिटी आएगी. Many times you are into selling multiple products, but you cannot go and talk every product to every client, or you cannot showcase him that I've got this, I've got this, I've got everything. No. For that, you need to be good in planning. You need to know what my client wants, and you are going to give him exactly that I have got this and this. Both is ideal for you. You choose as per your flexibility. You cannot be a sabzi wala कि सर भिंडी भी है, तरकारी भी है, हरी मिर्च भी है, पुदीना भी है. No, you are not a bhaji wala. You are a professional salesperson. You need to serve your clients. You need to be make sure he's specific. Otherwise, बहुत कुछ दिखाओगे तो आपका sales call कहाँ जाएगा पता नहीं चलेगा. You will confuse your client. उसको help भी नहीं होगा and you will waste your time. So be clear कौन से client को क्या product बेचना है, वो भी part of planning है. Rest slides are there with you. You can go through the slides. I wish you all the best. See you in next session. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.